Okay, so what's going on here with BRICS is crazy because on one hand, I don't like what's going on, but on the other, man, this is good for crypto and it might be great for Ripple. So we're going to talk about all that in this video. It's not good for the US dollar, right? Obviously, BRICS expected to build a global central bank and move away from the dollar. Now, Crypto Geek put this out, and this is very interesting. They could be getting ready to build this global central bank, or CBDC, on XRP Ledger alongside Ripple. So Ripple has connections with every BRICS nation attached as proof. So we're going to talk about this and what it means. And again, BRICS is obviously happening. We got word of that. It is going to happen whether we like it or not. Different countries are moving away from the U.S. dollar. There's no doubt about it. Now, the recent news that just came out, if you guys hadn't heard, we could go to a quick news headline here, and you could see what's been going on with, Xi Jinping and China hoping to expand BRICS will turn world upside down. And recently, Saudi Arabia, UAE, and Iran among 6 countries invited to join the group. BRICS welcomes new members in a push to reshuffle world order. This is what we had talked about a little bit in the last few weeks. They're adding Saudi Arabia, Iran, Ethiopia, Egypt, Argentina, and UAE. Expansion could lend global clout to BRICS. Group leaves door open to further expansion as well. So, what does this mean for Ripple, though? Because while I said it's not great for the U.S. dollar, it could be good for crypto because it obviously levels the playing field a little bit. I don't think this means the U.S. dollar is going to dirt. I just think there's going to be a level playing field, more so than we've ever had in the last, decades. Now, what does this mean for Ripple? Ripple has connections with every BRICS nation. Check out these headlines. Ripple unveils crypto on-demand liquidity service in Brazil. The company is teaming up with the digital bank Travelex to introduce the product, which will initially allow transactions between Brazil and Mexico. Check this one out. Russian President Putin, the petrodollar is losing its global role in an objective and irreversible process. This comes as multiple reports cite Russia is building its CBDC on XRP Ledger alongside Ripple. These are all coming from academic journal articles. Very fascinating stuff here. A lot of speculation still, but there's also a lot of hard proof what's happening here. Ripple powering Indian bank's digital rupee project. Look at this. Ripple's software solutions continue to leave an imprint on the expanding worldwide market for digital assets. The SEC lawsuit against businesses continues to have a substantial impact on the growth of XRP. A number of central banks from across the world are working on developing the Ripple Central Bank digital currency platform, which enables central banks and governments to digitize financial services. And last but not least, check this out. Cryptocurrency issuer Ripple enters the China market with this Lian partnership. They have got their foot in the door now into the Chinese market. Ripple has, by signing this partnership. It's a Hong Kong-based payment service provider. The deal comes despite the Chinese government's ongoing efforts to shut down crypto trading and transactions in that nation. Of course, Hong Kong and China relations very interesting to say the least. But it says in a tweet, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse wrote his company just opened the door to the largest e-commerce market in the world. Ripple noted that cross-border payments related to China's e-commerce market reached over $1 trillion in 2017. So, you've heard me probably say this if you've listened to this channel more than once, and you've heard me talk about XRP. XRP is going to succeed. Ripple, XRP, the company and the token, will succeed with or without the United States. This is why. They have all these deep relationships already. While all of this nonsense has been going on for the past 3 years, in terms of the lawsuit, Ripple has been developing, fostering, and nailing down huge partnerships with various governments around the world. And now, BRICS, expected to build global central bank digital currency CBDC on XRP Ledger alongside Ripple, is just, in my opinion, the tip of the iceberg. We're just beginning. Now, whether or not the U.S. comes around, utilizes Ripple, XRP as well. We'll see. What do you guys think should happen down below? Let me know. We'll see you in the next video. Appreciate you guys so much. Peace.